Success is a process, not a moment. In this video, we shall dive into the real formula for winning. In trading, success doesn't belong to the lucky. It belongs to those who are willing to outwork, outlearn, and outlast everyone else. Most people give up too soon. They quit after a few losses. They chase easy money. But the winners, they play a different game. Here are the best ways to keep going. Number 1. Outwork. While others sleep, you study. While others waste time, you sharpen your edge. While others chase shortcuts, you build discipline. 2. Outlearn. Every mistake becomes a lesson. Every loss, a teacher. You grow wiser with every trade. 3. Outlast. When others quit, you endure. When storms hit, you hold strong. You survive long enough to win. Remember, winners aren't born. They are built through work. Everyone can start fast. Very few can stay steady when storms come. Outlasting in trading means 1. Managing risks. 2. Protecting your mindset. 3. Surviving long enough to be profitable. In trading and life, overnight success is a myth. It's not about the perfect day. It's about showing up every day. Those who stays in the game long enough eventually own it. Follow for more tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe.